Dave from Down Under, and I've got my trusty little assistant here today. Her name's Laura. And what we're going to do a bit of a troubleshoot, aren't we? When sometimes these may not be working, a bit of a troubleshoot for the dealers as how we're going to do it. Now, I'm not sure how to get in here, but I think you've got a magic tool, is that right? You have. All right, thank you. So, the tool that I showed you before, the little plastic cap, and one of our TPMS's, really simple. We just put it in the recess, logo on the outside, anti-clockwise. What's it? Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, is that right? Yeah, that's right. Okay. Now, I've loosened that. Do you want to take the lid off and let's have a look inside? All right, here we go. Laura's going to take the lid off. There you can see we've got a battery in there. Now we just slide that little battery out. It'll have a number on the back of it. Here we go. We just push it across here. Fat fingers of mine. We got it out. And if you ever need to get one of those, just drop into your local battery store, Walmart, or wherever you need to go. There's our little electronics. Now to put it back together, literally just slide that back into there. And Laura, you can put that back together for us. That's it. And I might do the tightening section. Put that in there, as I said before. There we are. Tighten her up. Don't over tighten it, they're only made of plastic. Tighten her up, and we're ready to go. There you have it. Thanks guys, see you soon.